Oh, I think you just got some air. Ah, fuck. What's up, YouTube? We're back with a new video. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I have no idea what's going on with my throat right now. Ugh. Right now, I'm just getting a car wash. My car's a little salty today, but I'm gonna make a vlog style video today, and I'm gonna go to Mooch's. I don't know what we're gonna do. I bought my Xbox and stuff, but we're gonna mess around, and God, that's loud as shit. But yeah, I'm gonna make a video today. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, obviously. I need those subscribers, because I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs this year. I have like no time, but it's alright. Oh shit, okay. So I forgot to show you guys something. I did something to my car. It's a little thing called a blow-off valve. I don't know if you heard of it. You know, Turbo Cavalier and stuff. I did it to my car. It was supposed to be a 20-minute job, but it turned into fucking 3 hours. So I got really pissed off and never recorded it. So I kind of regret that. But this is what it sounds like. Everyone probably looks now. It's alright. So I put a blow-off valve on this thing and it sounds pretty cool. If you guys want me to do more mods to this car, I'm probably gonna do it anyways. You should give it a thumbs up, and obviously you should always subscribe. I'm gonna do more mods to this car, probably put it on some bags or something, new wheels, some aero to this car, all that stuff. I wanna have a little bit of fun with it, and I'm probably gonna go buy another car. I'm not exactly sure what I wanna buy yet. I have some money saved up and I could just go buy something cool. I'm just taking my time, trying to find something cool for the channels, try to switch it up instead of having the Turbo Cavalier all the time. So give me some ideas in the comments of what I should buy or what would be cool. I was thinking I really want like a Miata or something, just something little to fuck around with and drift and stuff. But if I could even find one, because I live in New York State and you can't find anything out here. I would have to go to a different state to get something cool, but we're gonna do that soon. So keep your eyes open for a new car. Yes. I don't have anything to dry my mirrors off, and I don't want water spots on my mirrors, so I'm using this to dry my mirrors off. Don't judge me. Is it the inside? No, I have no idea. I tried getting a car wash to get that out, but can't win here. I'm gonna go to Mooch's now, and I need to stop at the bank and get some Timmy Hoes there, bud. Going back to Canada, eh? Then we're gonna appear at Mooch's, and I don't know what we're doing. We'll figure it out. I was just driving and that's exactly how I feel right now. This is for the people that don't believe a Ford Fusion is actually fast. Put this bitch in sport mode. Oh, and it sucks you in the seat. And you fucking take off. Oh. Woo. Alright guys, I just ran to the bank, just depositing some money, and now I'm at Tim Hortons there, bud, just trying to get my Timmies on. And I'm gonna get some Timmies. And then we're gonna make our way to Mooch's house, and we're gonna have a good time. So I'm gonna grab my Timmies right here. Now I'm gonna make my way to Mooch's, so I'll get back to you when we get there. I might have just hit like 17 buttons, but we just made it to Mooch's. I am not an alcoholic, I swear. Trying to get in here. It's locked. Ring the doorbell. Ding dong. Hi Oliver. Hi Oliver. Yeah, I know, dude. So I'm making a video. And I brought a little present. We're gonna drink all that tonight. Are you for real? Wow, you suck real good. Keep sucking, dude. Oh, now you're really, oh yeah. Oh, you suck that. What the hell is that?
I don't know, it's the best place out.
Keep sucking.
You don't eat fresh peppers?
No.
Real food.
You just bought an actual container of peppers.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Okay. So we're gonna take a ride to Target and stuff. Where else are we going?
Ulta.
In Ulta.
We're gonna go get the makeup.
Yeah, no, that's not for me. So we're gonna go look at stuff and buy stuff, and because we have gift cards from work, and we're gonna spend all our money, YouTube monies. So, Popo, where? You can see yourself in this. See? You can see yourself. Oh, oh, holy poop! Wow, you drive like NASCAR racer.
NASCAR.
Yeah, NASCAR. Holy fuck! Hey, holy fuck! Wow! Wow! See, I told you Fusions are fast. Yeah, I get tickets on the street, so I don't do that. Did you say something?
No.
I thought I heard you say it. Starbucks? Pinkity drinkities. Holy fuck. I'm all over the road here, dude. We're leaving Target right now. I didn't record like anything.
Save the turtles.
Yeah, we got our reason with the both of us straws.
Wow.
They were so English.
Yeah, we got some Starbucks. I just bought razors. Very, very interesting. Like, you guys really care. Yeah, same. Dude, I can't even open your door here. Oh.
You just saved all the turtles.
Oh, we gotta go to blowjobs.
Did you forget?
I don't want to
We gotta go to blows.
You don't have to go.
Yeah, we do. We have to go.
We could go tomorrow and go.
Oh my god. When do we get to the bumpy road? Oh, it's already pretty damn bumpy. Holy.
Yeah, we should take this.
You're also flying through here, dude. Holy shit.
Dude, the speed limit.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounded horrible.
We should take, take my Jeep for
So Mooch is taking us through a real bumpy road. I don't know if you can see me, but we're going. We're giving her a good old send there, bud. Leave it running? Alright, I'll let it run. It's 55 there?
Yeah. No.
What?
No, it's not. It's 45.
40. Oh, I think you just got some air. Holy fuck. That is nuts.
Dude, it's so fun.
Another bump. Oh, holy fuck. We should definitely take the truck down this road.
Right?
Leave a comment if you think we should take his fucking pick 'em up truck down this road. Oh, we are gonna die. Holy fuck. Yo, this is fucked up. How are you driving with one hand right now? Fuck that. I swear we got some air. Oh. Holy fuck.
Holy sugar!
Oh.
I love this shit.
Oh.
Kenzie, when we take the Jeep down here.
Oh,
Holy fuck.
oh, is it bad?
That was running very good though.
Oh, okay. Well, that's why it
Now
doesn't
I
run
don't have
good
any
anymore.
shocks.
Now
Yeah.
it's going on.
Oh, we have a step of a sign.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's under the road.
holy fuck, dude. This is bad. Still trying to figure out how to open the door here. Come on, you're going on now? Okay. Alright, we're back at Mooch's now. After that adventure of a road he took us on. God! Hey, Moochie. Hey, hey, Kenzie. What the fuck?
Here you go. Hi. Welcome back to my channel.
We're popping bottles out here. You a chef hat?
Yes.
Mooch is just crying over here.
I don't cry from
Yeah, he
onions.
doesn't. It's weird.
Tight. Fucking mint.
Ooh, that's hot.
That's hot. So what are we eating for dinner here?
We're making goulash.
Ghoulish?
Cooking with Kenzie.
What?
Cutting with John.
We need real food, not some microwave shit.
It's defrosting.
It's healthy. It's turkey.
What's up, guys? We're back with a new video. I'm kidding. We just ate some food, some ghoulish.
I made some bomb-ass goulash.
We got some ghoulish.
Oh yeah.
Are
you good?
Yeah, my butt cheek itched.
Itchy butthole syndrome.
Alright, I should shut up the TV. I got my Xbox in there, and we're gonna play Xbox on here, and yeah. So let's go get it. Oh, that's dark up there. That's scary. Okay, I got the TV. I gotta turn off all these light switches. Okay, I need my Xbox. Xbox 360.
You book big, bro? You going to school tomorrow?
I'm going to school, Mom.
Dude, about time you crack this wine open.
Holy fuck.
Oh, here you go.
Oh my
We're
god.
drinking tonight.
Uh,
We're drinking tonight. We've got some wine, some bourbon. Moochie's not probably gonna drink anything because this is how he rolls. Go, bud.
This isn't wine.
I got one. This is mine. That's yours.
I don't.
Cheers, bud.
Okay. We're gonna have a long night here. Okay. Whoa.
Making a soda stream.
Soda
So what
bean.
you do, or actually here, I'll give you filtered water. So what you do is you fill it to the line, which is right here. But it filters really slow, so just give it a second. And then what you do is you take it and you put it here and you,
You screw it on.
yeah, somehow. Yeah,
First time.
I don't like these things Moochie does. Wait, maybe it's like, oh, that's not what I wanted to do, but it worked.
Okay.
So then you go. It sounds like a roller coaster ride. Wait, are you supposed to put the stuff in before or after? Okay.
Okay. All right, big thing that just happened. This is my Instagram here. I posted this up right here. I know you guys can't really see it, but it's if anybody who's reading this, DM me on Instagram, and the first person to do this, I'll PayPal you $100, subscribers only. Then I have someone that DM me. I'm gonna support my subscribers here. Yeah, so if you guys ever see anything in the comments or I say something, definitely hit me up and I'll help you guys out. So I'm gonna PayPal this guy $100 really quick, and then I'm going to if he's watching that video right, fuck. Dude, I can't fucking talk. If you're watching this video right now, please leave it a like. I'm quitting YouTube. I'm gonna drop out of YouTube and go to college. If you are watching this video right now, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment so I know it's you, okay? You know who you are. What the fuck? I'm just... Okay. We're just playing cock and duty here.
The cock and duty.
Yeah. Oh shit.
I changed my makeup. Put on lipstick, and I did new eyeshadow and eyeliner.
You had to put makeup on?
Yeah, I had to put on makeup to play.
Alright guys, I'm gonna... Fuck. Alright guys. Well, the last clip you saw was from last night actually, but I'm gonna end the video here. If you guys liked it, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You already know. I'm trying to hit that 1,000 subs, trying to get famous out here. But I'm gonna take off and go home, probably edit this video. If you guys want more videos of Turbo Cav, definitely leave a comment and like, and you guys already know you'll probably get it anyway. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.